The relationship between Israel and Hamas is one of deep-rooted animosity and violence. Hamas, considered a terrorist organization by Israel, the United States and the European Union, controls the Gaza Strip. Israel withdrew its settlements from Gaza in 2005 but maintains control over its borders and airspace. The two sides have fought numerous wars and engaged in countless skirmishes, leaving a trail of death and destruction. The origins of this conflict can be traced back to the early 20th century, with the rise of both Zionism and Palestinian nationalism. The 1948 Arab-Israeli War resulted in Israel's creation and the displacement of hundreds of thousands of Palestinians, known as the Nakba. Hamas, founded in 1987 during the First Intifada, emerged as a militant Islamic group committed to Israel's destruction. Today, the conflict remains intractable, with both sides seemingly locked in a perpetual struggle for survival and dominance. The recent escalation of violence between Israel and Hamas is among the deadliest in years. The fighting, triggered by clashes in Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, quickly spiraled into a full-blown conflict. Hamas launched a barrage of rockets into Israel, targeting major cities like Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. Israel responded with airstrikes on Gaza, targeting Hamas military infrastructure and residential buildings. The sheer volume of rockets fired by Hamas has overwhelmed Israel's Iron Dome defense system, causing widespread panic. Israel has unleashed its military might on Gaza, a densely populated coastal enclave with limited infrastructure. The result has been a humanitarian catastrophe, with hundreds of Palestinian casualties, many of them civilians. The situation remains volatile and unpredictable, with the potential for further escalation and regional destabilization. The human cost of this conflict is immeasurable. The Gaza Strip, already suffering from a dire humanitarian situation, is now facing a full-blown crisis. Israeli airstrikes have destroyed homes, hospitals and critical infrastructure, leaving thousands of Palestinians displaced. Water supplies have been disrupted, electricity is intermittent, and medical facilities are overwhelmed. The psychological toll on civilians, particularly children, is profound, with constant fear and loss, leaving deep scars. Israel maintains it is taking precautions to minimize civilian casualties, accusing Hamas of using civilians as human shields. Human rights groups have criticized both sides for their actions, perpetuating a cycle of violence and retribution. The international community has reacted with alarm to the latest escalation of violence between Israel and Hamas. The United Nations Security Council has held multiple emergency meetings but has failed to agree on a joint statement calling for a ceasefire. The United States, while supporting Israel's right to defend itself, has also called for de-escalation. The European Union and individual European countries have condemned the violence on both sides and called for a cessation of hostilities. Arab and Muslim countries have condemned Israel's actions in Gaza and called for an end to the occupation. Some have also criticized Hamas's rocket attacks on Israel. The international community remains divided on how to best address the underlying issues driving the conflict. The path to peace between Israel and Hamas remains elusive. Decades of failed negotiations and deep-seated mistrust have created a seemingly insurmountable chasm between the two sides. The two-state solution, once seen as the most viable option, has become increasingly distant. Hamas demands Israel's recognition of a Palestinian state within the 1967 borders, including East Jerusalem as its capital. Israel views Hamas as a terrorist organization and refuses to negotiate directly, insisting on Hamas's disarmament. The lack of a viable peace process has created a dangerous vacuum, allowing extremists to flourish. Breaking this cycle requires a fundamental shift in the political calculus of both sides. The international community has a crucial role in facilitating dialogue and holding both sides accountable. Despite the grim realities, the pursuit of peace between Israel and Hamas must remain a priority. A lasting solution is essential for the well-being of Israelis and Palestinians, regional stability, and global security. The international community must remain actively engaged, using all diplomatic tools to encourage dialogue and rebuild trust. This includes providing humanitarian assistance to those affected by the conflict, particularly in Gaza. Addressing the root causes of the conflict, including the occupation and the plight of Palestinian refugees, is crucial. A two-state solution with Israel and Palestine living side by side in peace remains the ultimate goal. The international community must remain steadfast in its pursuit of a just and lasting solution for the sake of peace.